My name is Sheena. I'm a breast survivor. 2 years ago, I found a milk duct infection while breastfeeding. So what I did was, I googled it, and then I said, oh, it's a milk duct infection, and I just keep squeezing, but it does not work. So I went to a specialist. They said that it was, I think it was a milk duct infection. Then later on, we found out that it was a cancer stage 1. We call it pretty early because it was just a dot.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Sharina. Saya from the Home Soil Stop the Dot Together campaign. 2 tahun lepas, actually Shina kena cancer stage 1. Dia adalah pengalaman yang sangat sunyi, Shina faham. Tapi untuk orang luar sana yang kena juga, I nak cakap dengan you, please take care of yourself. Jangan dengar cakap orang. You kena survive untuk orang yang sayangi you. You kena ingat tu. Orang yang sayang you. You tak payah fikir pada orang yang bagi you negatif ke apa ke. You kena kuat semangat. Because the future, you and your children needs you. And jangan lupa minum dan makan benda yang boleh naikkan kita punya kesihatan juga, seperti soya, tempe, sayur-sayuran dan susu. Ya, terima kasih.